How to start again in life. Why do people enjoy making New Year's resolutions? There is something very attractive about the idea of a new beginning. Should you try to start over? In many cases, starting with a blank page in life is a good idea. It frees us from the burden of previous failure. It gives us the opportunity to try something over and over again until we get it right. If we start over, this does not mean that we will ignore our current experience. In fact, we can analyze them and learn from our mistakes. What made us stop last time we tried? What happened? How do we avoid it now? At the same time, we can use a new perspective that gives us a fresh start. It can provide a new way of looking at things and make us more sensitive to different ideas that we may not have noticed before. Between your last attempt and now, you have learned and grown. This gives you a good chance of success. Learning from the past gives you a better chance of success. The new perspective means you won't get stuck worrying about past mistakes. The new start is an inspiration. Take advantage of that motivation and stick to your goal. You can do better next time. No matter how many times you try, you can always try again. There's nothing stopping you from starting over, maybe tweaking a few things to make it work better. Even if you didn't do it before, it doesn't mean you won't do it now. Each attempt gives you a new perspective and prepares you to start over.